Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Big Tiger, Little Tiger from English Marigold book of CBSE class 3rd. So let's start to enjoy Big Tiger and Little Tiger. Little Tiger, Big Tiger. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. Cub means baby of mother tiger. They live near a river in a shady jungle, in dark jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out! A tiger is coming. Langur monkey is one type of long-tailed monkey. Then the sambar deer bellowed. The kakar deer barked. See students, here bellowed means long deep sound of pain or anger. When that mother tiger was going for hunting, that sambar and monkeys was shouting by pain or anger or by frighten. But she hunted then for jungle fowl. Fowl means small birds, or for pheasant and for frog. Pheasant means long tail big birds. Or went to the river for fish, but she did not hunt every night. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. Dawn means time before early morning or first sun ray. And then she twitched the tip of her tail and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. See student, she twitch. Twitch means sudden movement of the body part. And then the tiger cub pounced on her tail. Pounce means one small jump to attack something small. See student, that baby tiger means cub was always staying with her mother tiger to see how to do hunting. If he went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. Grunt means in low sound. The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in jungle at night. See student, that small cub was also feeling to go away from her mother to hunt something. But in low sound, that mother tiger was calling him back. One night, the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog and caught it. See student, one night mother tiger slept earlier and this baby tiger saw one hopping frog and he was trying to catch that hopping frog. And when he caught it and turned his face to show it to his mother next, but she was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. See student, when tiger cub turned his face to show that caught frog to his mother, that time instead of his mother, he saw a big tiger than his mother. The tiger's green eyes glistened. Glisten means sparkling, shining as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. He could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger. Crept up means moving as like reptiles, body closer to the ground. Tiger cub was frightened by seeing big tiger than his mother. So tiger cub let the frog hop away, and that big tiger also let the tiger cub go away. But a roar filled the jungle, the roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar a loud, big tiger roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. Student, that mother tiger faced that another tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar loudly like that big tiger. Tiger cub means that baby cub also like to roar. A loud tiger cub roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there. Mother tiger was also roaring loudly to tell all the jungle animals that she is there. Same way, this baby tiger, means this cub tiger, also like to roar loudly. But all the other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all, and none of them ran away. Student, that all the animals of the jungle was not afraid to the mother tiger. They never ran away by frightening her. But there came a year when the small tiger cub was a full grown tiger. Friends, now that small tiger cub was a full grown big tiger. He walked for miles alone, hunting for game at night. When he roared to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. See student, when this big grown tiger was tiger cub, that time both his mother and he was roaring loudly. But that time no any animal from the jungle was ran away, and they never frightened to them. But now, when this big grown tiger roaring, all the animals from the jungle kept far, far away. He was roaring and telling to all the jungle animal that he is there. So now the great big tiger that had been a small tiger cub, hearing his own loud roar, smiled to himself. Tiger smile. See students, new words explanation already I have given in the explanation. So you can write these new words in the notebook for practice. Now see some questions and answers of this lesson. Take the right answer. Where did the mother tiger and her small tiger cub live? Near a river. What did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? Fish and frogs. What did the tiger cub catch one night? A frog. Now we will see second number question. What happened to the little tiger cub when he chased the frog? The little tiger cub lost and saw another tiger in the jungle. Now here is word game. Can you place these letters in their right order to form the name of animals? SEMOU, mouse. RESHO, horse. OINL, lion. PESHE, sheep. REDE, deer. LUBL, BULL, bull. GITER, TIGER, tiger. FOLW, wolf. The animals, birds in column A have to reach their homes in column B. Find out where they live. B. An ant, a duck, a tiger, a rabbit, a spider, and observe their homes properly. Burrow, web, nest. Now see the answer sheet. A tiger lives in a den. A bee lives in a beehive. An ant lives in an hill. A duck lives in a pond. A sparrow lives in a nest. A spider lives in a web. And at last see, a rabbit lives in a burrow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes. Students, here you can get motivational videos and study tips videos also. So keep watching our channel.